The Canoo LV is an electric vehicle, powered by a single electric motor turning the rear wheels. Unlike the Canoo pickup, no dual motor option is available at launch. Expected output numbers read 300 horsepower and 332 lb-ft of torque, and Canoo is estimating 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.3 seconds. Top speed will be electronically limited to 125 miles per hour. The least expensive way to buy a Canoo LV is to opt for the delivery variant, a 2-seat cargo van. Base passenger models feature seating for 5 and add rear doors and windows compared to the delivery vehicle. The Canoo LV's distinctive styling and interior layout had interested from the start, but it becomes an even more attractive proposition when you consider the pricing. Minimalist, 2-seat delivery examples are expected to start around $35,000, and the Canoo LV Premium will set buyers back approximately $50,000, with the Adventure model priced slightly higher.